I just got this in the mail today. I've been waiting over a month for this because Zen Market apparently doesn't like me. I don't know why though. There. For the first combo, we got Draw and Dagger, 460 Rush. Wait. Boom. I do like the blue ratchet here with the white ring on the side outside of it. And the next bay will be Shark Edge. And we have 380 flat. I like the green Shark Edge though. This just doesn't match with it at all. And there is altogether. It's probably no, it's not the tallest bay in this set. And because for this next bay, it is the purple Night Shield. Reminds you of not purple soda, grape soda. And we have 580 and tapered. This is just the great Beyblade. And here it is all together. And now I just gotta battle them now. First, the grape soda Night Shield. Green Shark Edge now. This sounds so good though. Now Drawn Dagger. Okay then. I'll do these two against each other for the first battle. 2-0. Uh-oh. Okay then. I guess Drawn Dagger has 3 now. Gotta do better, Shark Edge. There. Okay, man. I thought he would be better than that. I'll do these two now. Oh, it's Night Shield 1. Now Shark Edge wins. That was terrible. Oh my. Okay. Okay, an extreme finish. Now it's time for these two to go up against each other. That was a good attack. Another good attack. Little John Guard can't lose at this moment, and he didn't lose because he doesn't disappoint. Yeah, there's no way he's gonna lose, man. You're kind of leaning there. Oh my goodness, bro. And he lost because of that. So done with him. Okay. And Drawn Dagger wins for the final battle.